These are the low-rise elevators at the Omni in Nashville.
Going up.
These are pretty cool. And these are keyed off, I think, yeah. But I got one here. Oh boy, superstitious floor. We are stopping at 4.
Going up.
What floor are you going to?
10. It's so hot. Yes, I'm so hot. Hot tub. My skin's cold. Yeah, like my face is what's hot. Not my body.
10th floor. Going up. Thirteenth floor.
AKA the superstitious floor.
Going down.
There's part of Nashville. Pretty cool.
Going down.
Hey, that bar button, I like that. These are pretty cool. Nice cabs. Floor is very dirty. And we're stopping.
Going down.
I got it.
Going down.
Are you from Indiana? Indiana guy?
Yep.
We are too.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah. How long you been driving for Uber?
I'm not an Uber dude.
Oh, sorry.
Zoom.
First floor. Going up.
I got it for you. You're welcome. There it goes. That'll be it. High rise at the Omni. Ooh, look at that lantern.
Going up.
Okay, let me get my card out. You can accept it. Here we go. 21. These are pretty quick. Doesn't have a floor passing chime. My ears are popping.
21st floor. Going down.
I got it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's get a look out here now that we're on a higher floor. You can see the AT&T building over there, and there's a building over there under construction. There's the Hyatt place. Pretty nice view. Yeah, this is a cool hotel. Yeah, that view is pretty cool. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Oh, here we go.
Going down.
Again, that bar button is pretty legit. Just like the low rise. Except this one's got a clean floor. Hey, I'd say these are pretty nice for Otis. And the bar button, I just love that. They're fairly quick. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Oh, we're stopping at 4 actually.
Going down.
Oh, okay. It's fine. Oh yeah, and there's the key card reader. Here we are at the lobby.
First floor.
Pretty loud voice. Wait, I want to look at something here. Oh yeah, look at that lantern. That's cool. Well, that'll be it.